Decarbonization of the energy sector requires urgent action on a global scale. While global energy transition is underway, further action is needed in Nigeria to reduce carbon emissions and mitigate the effects of climate change. That's the stance of speakers at the inaugural Seplat Energy Summit in Lagos, held virtually, exploring opportunities to power up the economy post-COVID-19 phase through renewables and stronger policy and financing options. David Alabi reports.
Seplat Petroleum Development Company PLC, Nigeria's leading independent oil and gas company, listed on both the Nigerian and London stock exchanges, is driving a fresh course of recovery plan beyond the current economic shocks through business sustainability and strategic leadership in Africa. With a focus on energy transition through information and smart technology, policy frameworks as well as market instruments, the 10th year anniversary of the company is welcoming a new leadership, pulling insights from government and strategic partners.
Oil prices have rebounded from its 2020 lowest point of $10 per barrel to the current price of $43 per barrel as at 23rd May 2020, and still appreciated, though conditioned on the compliance level of OPEC member countries.
The fossil fuel business will continue to be relevant, but having said that, the way and manner we do that business will change. In Seplat, we have already embraced this and we've taken it head on. Is going to emphasize the innovation which we will continue to embrace.
Considering the magnitude of investments needed to fund the energy transition in Nigeria, utilizing the capital market is pushed as the way to go.
If you look at oil and gas companies that are taking a strong look at renewable energy in the long term, fund managers continue to latch onto that.
The incoming Chief Executive Officer of Seplat now receives the baton of leadership as the outgoing officer gives his parting words.
The governance structure that we have created has made it possible for the company as a corporate entity to operate efficiently, and therefore it's easier to look to the future and set targets for Roger and his team that are easily achievable.
Our ANU partnership is one that we are extremely proud of. We're a 50-50 joint venture with government on the new ANU gas plant. We'd like to do more of those types of projects and everything else. We'd like government to support us in new acquisitions, and very clear is the legislation.
The management of Seplat promises the company will continue to maintain strict financial discipline over investment decisions while also embedding higher standards of corporate governance and transparency. David Alabi, TVC News, Lagos.